All right, welcome back to another portfolio update. On this one, I'm going to go over in detail how much I was paid in dividends and how much I made in options for the month of January. So let's get started with the market. Just closed, so we are down 197. This is after hours. It's kind of moving up and down. For the week, we're down 2192. Not good. Past month, up 3068. 3 months, 11,184. Year to date, 3150. 1 year mark, 23,170. And overall at 96% at 35,001, I guess 098. So, all right, guys, quick update on the margin. So I upped the margin, as you guys can see, margin used 42,592 right now. Still have a total of 15,000 to use. I'm trying to bring the margin down, but I'll show you guys why it's up so high and what I bought. So let's get down here. And I did buy MSTY, Misty, or whatever you guys want to call it. As of right now, we are down. I did pay an average of 27.75. I bought 500 shares. I am down 450. So we're hoping that it pays above $2, like it's been paying the past all the months before. I think the last month was one of the lowest ones at $2.25 a share. So this coming month, hopefully, if it pays $2, we'll still make $1,000. So we'll see how it goes. It's been going up and down, kind of hovering in the 27 range right there. It did hit 30, 30, then it dropped. So of course, it follows MSTR, which next week they have earnings. I think it's on the 5th they have earnings. So we'll see what happens. And hopefully we get some dividends on that. So that's why the margin is so high. I still have SMCI, which we are down 555. Trying to get out of it. We'll see how I can do next week. It did hit $30 today. But I've been selling calls on it, so making money, and I'll show you guys the details in a second here. And that's why the margin is so high right now. I also have a Google option here that was about to expire. I rolled it to next week. I had the strike of 195. I'm sorry, 190. Rolled it to 195 today or yesterday. Made a little profit, and the stock is hovering at 204 right now. So maybe let it go at 195 next week. We'll see. If not, roll it again for another week. So see how it goes with that. All right, guys, let's get into the dividend payments here. So first, we're going to drop down to dividends, and I'm going to go as quick as possible and show you guys in detail how many shares of each. So we had UGI, 21 shares. They paid 788. JEPI, 175 shares, 6909. JEPQ, 37 shares, 1687. Now, I don't know if I'm going to show you QDTE every time. 20 shares, 597, or Yield Max, 10 shares, 181. YMAG, 10 shares, 310. QYLD paid pretty good. 320 shares, $108. Microsoft's Yield Max, 22 shares, 809. And here we go with the YMAG again, $1.58, same amount of shares, $1.40. It fluctuates a lot every week. AGNC, 40 shares, 480. Altria paid 38 shares, paid 38.76. QDT again, 20 shares, 366. Sorry if I'm going fast, guys. You can pause it. Main Street, 10 shares, 250. Stag, 45 shares, 555. Realty Income, 90 shares, 23.76. YMAG again, 12 shares, 60 cents. That day didn't pay that much. AMZ, 23 shares at 921. QDT again, 21 shares, 707. YMAX, 12 shares, 134. PSEC, 140, 630. SPHD 47, 646. YMAG again, 12 shares, $1.20. TSLY. They didn't pay as much as last month. Still, $717, 1,000 shares. Remember, I bought that on with margin. Bought 1,000 shares. I think it was like 14,000 bucks, but I received about over $5,000 in dividends already. So almost paid off. Well, halfway there, I guess. No, not halfway there. A third, a little bit over a third. YMAX, 12 shares, 206. QDT again, 21 shares, 517. QYLD, 60 bucks, 320 shares. So they paid twice. ARR, 12 shares, 288. FEPI, 15 shares, 1568. And coming in today, we have QDTE 432, YMAX 228, YMAX 206. So that's it for the month with a total of $1,146.94. And I'll put the totals in the description if you guys want to see. All right, so that's over 1,100 bucks. So let's go to options. I'm gonna go quick through these. Let's see here. January, Palantir 12, AMC $1, Hood 23, GME 12, GME 195. That 16,000 is when I picked up SMCI. So we're not going to look at those. It's just the income that came in. So GME 25, AMC 1, Hood 16, GME 48, SMCI 100, GME 11. Then we got assigned GME. Hood, we sold the shares. SMCI 315. GME 78, Enphase 21, got out of Enphase at 14, so it made a little bit of profit there. AT&T $2, SMCI, I got out of one, so that was minus 70, but I got back in at 145. And my roll, oh yeah, the roll didn't make me money. It cost me $8 this morning, so, or yesterday, I mean. So total in options income in trading options, I made $913. Not bad, so positive. And let's get to the expenses here. Interest payments. Oh wait, not interest payments. What am I saying? That is not. Oh wait, did something just populate in there? Oh, those are expired. Option margin. Okay, so margin. I paid $96.32. My margin fee based on $20,000. Now it's a lot higher because I have more debt. So 96 bucks. So we're going to subtract that. And I paid $5 in Robinhood Gold that I have. Robinhood Gold. So a total of $1,958.62 for the month. Not bad, almost $2,000 for the month in profit. Last month was much higher. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll put the link in the description to the last month's video, which I think was about $4,000 in profit. Still profit, guys. $2,000 profit doing options and dividends. I do have a lot of margin right now. We're going to try to minimize that this month. So hopefully by the end of this month, well, February hasn't started yet. Today's the 31st, but this month or February, we're going to try to bring it down at least half, if not most of it completely to zero. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, let me know what you're doing. Are you doing options? Are you doing margin? Are you just doing dividends? Are you doing growth stocks? What are you doing? Are you making money? Hopefully you are. Try to make as much as you can. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like or subscribe or both, whatever, or comment. All right, thank you, guys. Bye.